Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Daniel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my Megan racing exhaust or headers or whatever you want to call it. I just got this delivered and I already opened it because I got excited and I'm impatient. So the box they send you in is in this white box that just says Megan exhaust all over it. You know, pretty normal. Alright, so everything comes wrapped in this plastic stuff. I kind of already took everything out. So I'm going to show you what they send. So they send you 2 Megan stickers for that extra 10 horsepower for each. So that's 20 horsepower right there. They send you a thank you card for buying Megan. And then it's like your warranty. So, and then it does come with all the supplies that you need. So it does come with the donut gasket, it comes with the springs, come with the bolts, the nuts, everything. It does come with the gaskets for the header and where it meet ups with the, I don't know, downpipe, I guess, I don't know, I really don't know. And so it does come with the gasket, so you don't got to worry about that. They do feel pretty decent and not that cheap cardboard kind of stuff. Alright, so let me show you. So this is my test pipe, right? This will get rid of my cat. So the reason I got these headers were because my cat is completely clogged, and instead of buying a new one, I said, fuck it, I'll just buy some headers. And so I'm like, sure, fuck it. So it does come with 2, I think these are bongs, I don't know, where you can put your O2 sensor so it doesn't give you any codes, but I don't know how long it's going to last. I'm probably going to put some extensions, some defowlers on them. And there's basically 1 or 2 spark plug defowlers, and you drill a hole the size of the O2 sensor. You drill it in it, and I don't think it'll throw any codes because it gives that extra length. So this is the test pipe. Yeah, it comes with 2 of them. So I guess you put it in whatever you want. The actual header itself, pretty nice welds. Not gonna lie. Yeah, so like right here is where you would connect the other part, and then you would have 2 springs right here. On one of them, it has this little label or something, and it says Megan exhaust. It's welded on there. And for the last part, you have this, which connects to the header. And then you also have your other O2 sensor. Before the test pipe. So you have one before the test pipe, and I guess after the test pipe. So how this would go would, so you have this, and you would have a spring right here, and then you would connect it right here to this spring. And it would just connect there, and then there would be a spring right here that just kind of clinches this together on both sides. And then you would have this right here. And that's basically how it would go. So then, you would put your big gasket where your manifold meets the engine, and then this small one would go right here. No, sorry. It would go at the end. So like at the back of the test pipe where it meets with your cat back exhaust. or your stock.
This is a Harmonic beat.